Hi everybody, how are you doing? Jo here again. I'm just popping in for a quick little catch up because I just wanted to let you know about our Silhouette September online workshop. Now these workshops are just a little something extra just because I've been asked about them. If you fancy joining in, that's lovely. If not, it doesn't matter. Just carry on joining in with our YouTube channel on here. Just be part of the family, that's fine. But a few of you have asked for something a little bit extra. So each month I'm going to be doing an online recorded workshop. Now September is based on silhouettes. The workshop's £10 a month. That's all. I don't put it up. It's been the same for the last 3 or 4 years. And in our Silhouette September, we're going to be creating 4 different designs, and there'll be a video for each one. The first one, here's the example, and here's the one that we'll create together. And it's just using our beautiful stamps and stencils to create a silhouette design. And we'll take our time and work through. The next one will be a lovely Halloween type design, looking at ways of getting that misty, ethereal feel and using some of our fabulous Lavinia stamps. And then to video number 3, we're going to create this wonderful design, a sort of moon sentiment panel design, where we're going to look at masking, we're going to look at inking, and again using those fabulous silhouette stamps. And then finally we'll round off by using some lovely dinkle powders. You can use brushos if you wish, along with some silhouette stamps to create a magical tag. So there's lots of inspiration there, lots of different designs. So if you fancy joining me, just drop me a little message. I'll put my email address so you know what it is. As I say, if not, it's not a problem at all. So thank you for spending time with me. I hope you like the designs, even if you don't want to join in the workshop. It's nice for you to just have a look, pop in and see me. I hope you've got a nice cheeky brew and biscuit. What have you got? Cake or biscuit? Or are you going for snack? Cheese on toast? Let me know. Anyway, you take care. But every time you're watching this, day, night, morning, you could be half asleep for all I know. Well, actually, Eric's fast asleep under my table. Bless him. So you take care, as always. Love and hugs from me. Bye for now.